Hey everybody, this is Robert here, back with another video. Today, I want to talk about the top 5 computer accessories that you absolutely must have in order for your system to run, especially with a desktop computer. But it could also work for laptops. Alright, so count them down. Number 5. You need a USB wired or wireless mouse. This Logitech here, for example, is a wireless mouse, and it has a nano receiver that you put on the computer's USB drive, usually in the back or on the side for a laptop computer. Here's an example of a wired mouse. This is just a regular three button mouse, scroll wheel, and this plugs into your computer's USB port, and it takes power from the USB port. So those are kind of a few examples. 4. You need this. What the heck is this? A keyboard. This kind of came with the computer. I think it came with the computer. It's just a Dell keyboard. It's a wired keyboard, and you can also have Bluetooth keyboards as well. Just be careful when it comes to like Bluetooth and wireless mice, because the wireless keyboard or mouse normally operate on the 2.4 gigahertz frequency band, which will compete with the Wi-Fi that you have on your computer or desktop or laptop. Number 3 is USB flash drive, and this is for data storage, extra data storage. This SanDisk Cruiser, for example, is a 64 gigabyte, and you just plug it into the USB port and drag and drop files. And here, this is a USB on the go at 32 gigabyte, which you can plug it into your computer, or you can plug it into a tablet or a phone that accepts micro USB. Some of these actually have USB Type-C connector, and you can just plug it into your tablet or phone. Any tablet or phone that supports USB on the go or OTG. Number 2, cables for mobile devices, mostly to charge, and also for data cables. So, like for example, Lightning to USB is an example, or micro USB to USB Type A, or even USB Type C to USB Type A. So you're going to need cables for all of your phones and of course everything you need, which I probably should say also, a USB hub can definitely help, especially with like MacBooks that require USB Type-C to both charge the laptop, and for your USB Type-C devices, you can get a USB adapter, USB hub, that'll go from USB Type-C to HDMI um, USB Type A, USB Type C, and so forth. So a USB hub is another well, it's not always essential to have a USB hub, it depends on how many USB ports that you have on the computer itself. If you have plenty of USB ports, you don't need a USB hub. But if you only have a couple ports, a couple of USB-A or USB-C ports, then you're gonna need a USB hub. Otherwise, if you have an older machine or something that has a lot of USB Type A ports, then you really don't need a USB hub. But for the MacBooks, you definitely need a USB hub. They'll go from USB-A to USB-C, or from Lightning to USB-C or whatnot. Last one. Well, you need some kind of webcam or camera or and software. Well, I put this as essential because you're going to be doing a lot of video conferencing, Skype, things like that, or Google Hangouts or whatnot. So you're going to need a camera that the computer can at least connect to. The one I'm using right now here is a Logitech high definition webcam C270, and this is at 720p resolution. So, and of course you need software. So I'm using the Logitech webcam software. And also, the software is usually dependent upon what you need, but you definitely need like LibreOffice or even Microsoft Office and things like that. Now I would recommend, for optimization, I would recommend Advanced System Care, the free version. Also, Driver Booster can definitely help. And either iObit Malware Fighter or some kind of malware. Some kind of malware software that will take away malware. So anti-malware software of some sort. Now for web browsers, I would say Mozilla Firefox or Chrome. For video editors, if you do that kind of thing, I would suggest DaVinci Resolve or VideoPad, the free version, VideoPad free, the non-commercial use, and the or Kdenlive. So you can try those video editors. For photo editing, the GIMP. Other than that, we really don't have any more essential software. Now for email, you'd probably want to use either Microsoft Outlook or Mozilla Thunderbird. But that's all I have for this video. Comment down below anything I missed. And it's also back to school season, so I hope every student has a great first week back to school. And of course, school supplies are the cheapest that they will ever be this time of the year. In fact, you can get a Walmart brand ONN USB flash drive, 64 gigabyte, for about $8 at Walmart. So get them while you can. 16 gigabyte USB flash drive at the same brand is about $4. So get them while you can. Okay, that's all I have for this video. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!